Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators and this is a weekly market forecast for the week of August 7, 2022. So last week the market continued to push it up to the upside after they pulled back and found a support at the upper down trend line. So the market did get into the important level here, so they will be sideways and find a way to push it up. I believe the market is still have some momentum to put one more leg to this area or the downtrend line here. So right now, if you look at the next week, the uh, the investor they will get better idea on how the Federal Reserve they're going to tightening the cycle that play out after the inflation data pour out next week with a couple reports from the consumer price index, a producer price index, and an update on the unit labor cost. So if you look at the earnings report for next week, we'll watch for a couple ticker symbol like Tyson Food, ticker symbol TSN. They go there now, and then you see the market continue to put it up there, and a couple important electric vehicle like RIVN, that the Riven Automotive. So this one they also now earning next week, and momentum is still strong to the upside. PLTR, that's another one that Palantir, the ticker symbol PLTR, and this one is also now earning next week. Momentum is still put it up to the upside. BLNK, that's another blink structure. So you see that the green energy last week it continued to put it higher to the upside with a Senate they passed the bill on the clean energy. So you can see a lot of talkers to find a way to put it up there. Next week is also a important week for the crypto at the major development in the cryptocurrency sector that happen next week. It lead up to the long-awaited Ethereum. As you can see, the Bitcoin and Ethereum they transition to a proof of work of a protocol. The crypto bull are also pointing at positive news on a regulatory fund after the bipartisan group of the Senate they put forward a bill that classified the Bitcoin and Ethereum as a commodity. So if this one is successful, they can put the Bitcoin up to the upper bound there, as you can see, and Ethereum is trying to find a way to punch to the first level of the sales and they failed, but now they try to find a way to put it up to the upside again. So let's see how it lay out, but definitely its momentum is still bullish for the cryptocurrency right now. Um, Now let's take a look on the major indices to see where we at. First of all, let's take a look on the ES. The SP 500 it continue to put it back up, so they run right into the sell zone here. So this is the important level for the ES. If they want to continue success from the bottom here, they need to clear up this area and punch through and get back to this level up here. Now let's take a look on the Nasdaq, which is pushing right up to the resistance. As you can see here, there's a long-term downtrend line will hold them up. So that will be a little bit choppy here. So again, they need to go sideways here and find a way to get back up and put into this level to get up there. Russell 2000 it also pushed back up. However, they are retest the sell zone right now. YM is also pretty strong, as you can see here, continue to push it back up. So they will be sideways here and find a way to put it up one more uh, to confirm that the bottom is in place. Now let's take a look on the crude oil. Crude oil it also continue to put it back down. However, they have a strong support at this level here. So, but if they fail to hold up to this level here, they can go a little bit further south before they can bounce back up. But if they're able to hold up at the buy zone, they can snap back and move it to retest the upper bound there. If you look at the gold it also tried to put it back up However, they get back right into the resistance here. So if they can put it back up, they will have a even stronger resistance at this level here. So overall trend is still down, but in the short term, they try to find a way to snap back up a little bit here. If you look at the let me see here, look at the volatility index. It continues to go low, as you can see here, but they have a strong support in this area here. So, but overall trend is still bear. As long as they stay in the low bow here, they will have the market to move higher. If you look at the 10-year Treasury note, last week they snapped back a little bit after they fall behind the support here, and now they try to put it back up, but the trend line here still hold them up. It's momentum, even though they push it back here, but momentum is still choppy in the downside here. Okay, so that if this one here they get stuck here and then pull back down again, they can have the technology stock to go higher, and as well as the real estate stock be able to rebound. Now let's take a look on the 11 sector of the S&P 500. You can see that the SLK continues to push it back up to the upside. The momentum is still there, and the XLI, we see the industrial is also pretty strong, still moving strong, especially transportation is still doing very well. Those stocks in that sector is still doing well. The communication is still sideways, choppy there, and the XLY will be a consumer discretionary. It pulled back down a little bit after the Tesla they hit to the resistance on Friday and pulled back down. XLB is material. It also try to find a way to put it back up to the upside after they found support again. The XLP consumer stable after they run up. Now they are in sideways a little bit, and then before they can move higher. The energy is also pulled back down. I can see the hit right into resistance, pull back down, but they try to hold up in the support, so they have to run up and down here. Financial, it also try to find a way to put it back to the upside, and the healthcare is still sideways, choppy. Utility is still strong, and the real estate is also pretty strong. They found support, and then now they're looking for to put it another leg to the upside again. Okay, so now let's take a look on the potential 6 stock that the 6 top one that I think that for the month of August you should watch out. Those stocks are pretty strong and find a way to put it up to the upside. So first of all, in terms of energy, I will pick up the first one at EOG, which is EOG Resources. It's pretty strong. The stock have been coming down. However, they pull back down and they found a support. And on Friday, they try to turn around, put it back up to the upside. So momentum is still there. So they will find a way to snap back on for the next couple of weeks there. And the next one is the, like I mentioned on the last couple of videos, solar sector is also doing well after the green energy pass, and now they also try to find a way to put it up. So this is the Invesco Solar Energy. This is another ETF. They continue to put it up to the upside, and let me see. In terms of real estate, you can see real estate is also try to find a way to snap back to the upside. So we can looking for some real estate stock like let me see, VICI. Okay, that's another one pretty strong. They continue to put it up to the upside. Momentum is still there. Okay, a little bit extended, but it still have a room to put it up to the upside there. In terms of building and then the retail wholesale, you can see some stock like Home Depot is still pretty strong. They are after they drop from the top here down to the bottom. Now they find a way to put it back up. They do have room to put it to the upside for the month of August. And in terms of basic material that I told you earlier, that they try to find a way to snap back on. If they can clear the level here, they will continue to push it back up. So like steel STLD, right? That's a steel dynamic. The ticker symbol is STLD. This one it continues to put it up to the upside. If the builder and then those kind of stock try to turn around, definitely they will push it up to the upside there. And one of the stock that also in technology, I'll pick the NET, which is a Cloudflare ticker symbol NET. This one here it have a strong support in this level here, and then they snap back up on Friday with a very strong momentum. They will try to clear this gap here before they can get up to the upside there. Okay, so I think that's a 6 top stock that I have for you to put in your watch list, and let's see how to lay out the month of August. So that's all I have for you. If you would like to learn how to understand the technical analysis, how to analyze the chart by using a multiple time frame analysis and apply the right formula so you know where the market is heading to, you can check out our website at stocknavigators.com. We have a free webinar there for you to take a look. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and then let's see how market lay out, and then I will see you during the week, and take care and good luck to you everyone.